Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you edit classes in your Webflow website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. And the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all of the options that you can use in Webflow. And here we can see all of the websites that we have already created. If you want, you can even go ahead and create a new website right here by clicking on the button, but for today's video we will be using the website right here that I have created called YouTube Tutorials. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here and clicking on Open Designer, and now this will open up the website in the page. So you can see here guys, now this has opened up our website and we are in editing mode. So what we want to do is go ahead and open up the design control mode by clicking right here in the upper right corner on editing and click on request design control and then click on design here. After clicking on that guys, now we have successfully opened up the design mode and now we can go ahead and get started with editing our website. So guys, let's go ahead and find any text right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this option right here. You'll be able to see at the left side of the screen, you'll see all of the options that you can use for managing and viewing your website. So you can use these options right here to go ahead and find your classes, but I'm going to click this option right here, this paragraph, and then look at the right side of the screen. In the right side of the screen, you'll see under the style option, you may want to make sure you're in style, you will see there's an option called style selector. And here guys, you will be able to see all the classes that you have. As you can see, this is the class, and you can see, click on the arrow right here pointing downwards, and this will give you the option to either rename the class or duplicate the class. This is how you can edit your class. If you want, you can even go ahead and create a new class by clicking the option right here, this button, and you can now go ahead and type in out the name of your new class. But guys, as you can see here, we can edit the classes either renaming or duplicating them. And if we want to edit the class and edit a spacing or something similar of the class, then all you have to do guys is just to go ahead and edit it right here. Let's say we want to change anything related to the class, and after changing it guys, change anything that you want is related to the class, it will automatically be saved into the class. So the next time you create a new option or a new paragraph or something similar with the same class that you have been using here, all of the options will be transferred to that new paragraph or that new header or whatever you have created. But yeah guys, basically all the options that you change here that is using this class will be translated to the new option that you create with the same class. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.